August 6, 1945. An atomic bomb was dropped on Hiroshima City. In 1955, the Hiroshima Peace Memorial Museum was built to store and exhibit belongings left by the victims, atomic bombed artifacts, testimonies of survivors, and atomic bomb-related materials, in order to convey the importance of peace to future generations. The main building of the museum was designed by Kenzo Tange and was placed at the center of the Peace Memorial Park. In July 2006, it became the first post-war building to be designated as a National Important Cultural Property. Since the building has served for over 60 years, the aging progression is severe, especially in the main building. The city of Hiroshima decided to update the exhibits and to preserve the building, which is a symbol of the city's revival. So, the renovation work project started. Important cultural properties must retain their original shape when they were designated, except in cases of structural problems. In this context, we will introduce two measures to deal with aging. In order to reproduce the wall surface, which greatly characterizes the appearance, concrete pseudo-fair face finishing was carried out. In addition, to prevent the deterioration due to neutralized concrete, realkalization was performed. To improve the earthquake resistance without impairing the design and function of the building, the seismic isolation retrofit method was adopted. However, there are many challenges in adopting the system since this facility was originally built without piles. Therefore, prior verification was repeated many times, and the first step was piling to support the building temporarily. Here's the general workflow. First, steel pipe piles are installed. Excavation around the existing foundation is carried out in preparation for supporting the building. Next, the existing foundation frame is reinforced. To construct a new frame for reinforcement, holes are bored for reinforcing steel bars and PC steel rods to penetrate the existing structure. The horizontal force of the building is borne by the temporary horizontal restraint slab. After the strength of the frame is developed, the PC steel rod is tensed to integrate the existing frame with the new one, and the building is firmly supported by the hydraulic jack. Then, we could finally start the excavation directly under the building. New piles are added under the existing foundation. New foundations are constructed, and base isolation devices are installed. Eventually, in order to place the building on the seismic isolation devices, the temporary horizontal restraint slab is removed. The load is transferred to the devices. and the seismic isolation retrofit is completed. And on October 31st, 2019, the renovation work project was completed. To create a lasting peace, we will continue to pass on our message to future generations. Here in Hiroshima, we aim to create a bridge connecting our wish for peace to the future.